Before going to that, what are the concepts we discussed in the HTML? Semantic tags, forms, tables, list, heading tags, marquee tag, anchor tag, audio tag, video tag. Next, formatting tags. These all are the concepts we discussed in the HTML. Everything completed. Now, studio onwards, we are starting with the CSS. Okay. Before going to the CSS, what do you mean by CSS? What is the use of CSS? Styling of the web page. Okay. Next, coloring also. Okay. Next, huh? More attractions. Okay. Next, next. Alignment of the element designing. Okay. Separating all the concerns, content versus styling. Versus. సార్ ఆ లైట్ కూడా ఆపేయండి సార్, అది కూడా ఆపేసేయండి. మేకప్, దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ గుడ్ వన్ రే. మేకప్, మేకప్ అవర్ కోడ్, మేకప్ సార్. విజువల్ స్టైలింగ్. Change the design and layout of your web page. సరే, పెట్టదు వాయిస్. Pouring colors and alignment. Makeup. Nice one. VFX. దేవుడా. You will do VFX also. I will show you how we can do the VFX. Simple ma. Just CSS is for the makeover. Simple thing, we can call it as simple words, we will call it as a makeover. But technically, we can't satisfy that word, right? Makeover. So we are telling like that CSS is used to pouring the colors. Along with that alignment purpose, we are using the CSS. I will write the definition before going to that. What do you mean by pouring? I'm telling now CSS is used to pour the colors. What do you mean by pouring? Poyadam. Giving. Pouring means nothing but a giving colors. That is nothing but a pouring. Alignment. Now, which type of alignment we are doing, sir? Have you ever see when you are seeing any website? If you wanna go for your profile, which side you will go and click? If you want to check your profiles, which side you will go and click? Right side only. If you want to see for the navigation, search bar, if you want to see, where you will see first? Middle only, right? That is nothing but one type of alignment, user friendly. Now, normally by using the HTML, we can create the structures. Yes or no? We can create search bar by using HTML. Input type equals to search. Search bar we can create. But here, why we need to align properly? Why we need to align properly, ma? Already we can create the structure wherever we want, we can take, right? Yes or no? But why there only user friendly first point? To design the website as a web page as a user friendly, user can easily access that one. Easily access. It means how we need to design that web page means dump fellow we will call, right? What do you mean by dump? Least. The mindset should be very least. That person also will easily access our website. Like that, we need to align our website with the help of CSS. It is possible. With the help of CSS, it is possible. Now, I am telling the one word called pouring. Yes or no? Pouring is nothing but a layers. Pouring is nothing but a layers. Have you ever used the Photoshop, Canva, Snapseed, Pixart? Everywhere you are using, right? Editing while you are doing. If you can check also, layers are there, right? If you observe Pixart, if you open means on the top you will get the layer symbol. When you click on that, you will get the all the layers. How many layers are there? While you editing the photos. Same Photoshop you also single slide. It is a layers. All the layers if I combine, then the editing photo will be you will get. Yes or no? Same like that. What we are doing first, we are creating the one structure. On the structure, we are pouring the color. It means we are layering one thing. Now more easy example, buildings you will see, right? Construction buildings. First, how it will look, ma? It will look nice, huh? No, right? Bricks, everything should be seeing outside. That cement also, semi. It was after coloring that, it's look good, right? On that also, first they will do the white cement. On that, they will give a proper coloring. Two layers of coloring. Nowadays, if anywhere you can see, two layers they are doing. Why? To look good. Same like that, pouring the colors means layering. That's it. CSS is nothing but a layering, ma. On the HTML structure, we are doing one layering to look beautiful. That's it. That is nothing but a CSS. Simple agenda, that one. What we are writing? CSS is cascading, cascading style sheets. CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheets. It is used to pour the It is used to pour the colors to the HTML elements. HTML elements. It is used to pour the colors to the HTML elements, and it is used to align the element properly. And it is used to and it is used for alignment of the element. Yeah, okay. And it is used for alignment of the element. That's it. Cascading style sheet, it is used to pour the colors to the HTML elements, and it is used for alignment of the element. Proper alignment we can do by using this, by using the CSS. Is it clear, ma? వెనకాల దాని దిమ్మ వెనకాల కూర్చోలేదు కానీ ఇటు వచ్చి కూర్చో అవసరం ఇటు వచ్చి Okay, guys, that is nothing but a CSS. Till now, clear? Why we are using? First thing, for coloring purpose, we are using the CSS. Second thing is for the alignment purpose. First, we will discuss about the coloring, what is things. After that, we will go for the alignment. Okay. Before going to that, how to apply CSS to the HTML elements? That is a one more question for us. How to apply? So, ways to apply CSS. Ways to Just a second, ma. Before going to that, we have a history is there, right? History of CSS. History of CSS. Who invented this one means Hakon William Lee. Hakon William Lee. Hakon William Lee was invented the CSS, introduced in 1994. Introduced in 1994. CSS first version released in CSS1 is released in 1996. CSS first version was released in the 1996. CSS second version was released in 1998. CSS second version was released in 1998. CSS third version was released in 2011. 2011. Same like that, HTML first version was released in first version 1994. HTML. HTML 93. Second version third version, fourth, fifth, 2000 2014. Now you can check here. Those all are the odd series. These all are the even series. 1991 introduced. Here 1994 introduced. 1993 first version. 1996 second version. Sorry, here CSS first version. Same like that, 98 third, 98 second, 2011 CSS 3 was released. Till now we are using CSS 3 only. Till now we are using the CSS third version. Current running which you are learning, that is nothing but a CSS 3. Is it clear all of you? Yeah. Now this is the history of that CSS. Simple history. Not that much big, is a simple. Now ways to create a CSS. Ways to create a CSS. Totally we have a 3 ways to create a CSS. How many ways we have? 3 ways. First one is a inline CSS. Inline CSS. Now second one is a internal CSS. Second one is the internal CSS 1995 2014. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between CSS2 and CSS3? Gokul, currently what is your mobile version? You're using one mobile, right? What is the version of that? Very good, Ali. You are sleeping till now. 1992. Which year it was? HTML is also not there. Android 14. What is the previous version? What is the difference? Features. Same like that here also. CSS2 and CSS3 are the both are the same only. Some extra features they are adding, that is nothing but a flux and grid. Flux, grid, animations, transform, transitions, everything they will add. If I will divide that like that, means it will take one class to tell this is a CSS3 properties, this is a CSS2 properties. Okay. So we are learning completely advanced only, because old version, what you will do with learning? You want old versions. If you have Android 14 is there, you will take Android 13? No, right? Same thing here also. So we'll focus on the CSS3. In that CSS3 only, everything will be covered. CSS1 also covered, CSS2 also covered, CSS3 also covered. Everything. Just I am not specifically mentioning that this is a CSS2 one, this is a CSS3 like that. That's it. Apart from that, everything is a common only. Just I'm not covering that one. That's it. Yeah, guys. Now first one is the inline CSS, second one is the internal CSS, third one is a external CSS. Third one is the external CSS. Now each individual term we can see. Inline CSS. What do you mean by inline? Just word meaning I'm asking, not technical term, just word meaning. Inline. Same line only, right? In that particular line only, we are will applying the CSS. That is nothing but a inline. Internal. What do you mean by internal? Internal. Now, when you're going for any companies, you will tell internal references. What do you mean by internal references, ma? In that company only, they are moving from one domain to another domain, they are shifting. That is nothing but a internal. Now, external means from outside, we are getting some people, that is nothing but a external resources. Same like that here. When we are applying the inline CSS means now you are writing tags, you will write, right? Each and every tag is in the single line only. In that line only you are applying the inline CSS. How we are applying, sir? We discuss about the core attributes. Remember, what are the core attributes we have? ID, uh, title, next ID title, next style, class. Yes or no? That day total we discussed three. ID, class and title I discussed. Title style will be discussed in the CSS. Now that style attribute is used to give the inline CSS. That style attribute is used to giving the inline CSS. Now internal CSS. Now for example, I will write here example ma. I am taking the one paragraph tag. I am a para tag. I am a para tag. Here what I am doing, where I need to use the attributes on the opening tag only, right? So simply here I will use style attribute. Style equals to, we need to write here properties. We need to write here properties. Okay, ma? Property 1, property 2, property 3, everything we need to write here only. Okay. So internal CSS. Internal CS. Internal CS means in that file only we need to use. In that file only. Before going to the internal CSS, we need to understand the syntax of the CSS. How to apply the CSS. Now here I will write the syntax of the CSS. Syntax of CSS. Now, what is the syntax of the CSS means? Tag name slash selector. Tag name slash selector. After that, mandatory, you need to open the curly brackets. Inside that, you need to write the property 1 colon value. After that, mandatory, you need to use the semicolon. Mandatorily, you need to use the semicolon. After that, you need to use the property 2 colon value. Property 2 colon value. Again, you need to use semicolon. Like that, you can use n number of properties. Property n colon value. At the last, mandatory is the semicolon. Okay, ma? This is the syntax of the CSS to apply. This is the syntax of the CSS to apply. Here you can check, you know the tag name. What do you mean by tag name? H1, paragraph, section, article, main, table, OL, UL. Next, strong, big, small, everything is the tag names only. Now, what do you mean by this selector? Selector example, I can tell ID, class. These two only, apart from that, we have a n number of selectors are there. Sorry, guys. Apart from that, we have a n number of selectors are there. That concept only will take 3 days to explain. Okay. First, we will slowly move. We'll move till now. We will target the until we know the selectors. We will target by using the tag names. Is it clear, ma? Now, internal CSS, how we need to write? Now, internal CSS, we need to write by using the style tag. By using the style tag. Internal CSS by using the style tag here, we need to write. By using the style tag, we need to use. Internal CSS, we are writing by using the style tag. Inside that, how to write? Same again. Tag name slash selector. Now inside that, you need to write the properties. Property colon value. Everything is the same only here. Okay, ma? This is the internal CSS. Now external CSS means separately you are creating one file. External CSS means separately you are creating the CSS file. Separately we are creating a CSS file. Now, if you are creating the separately means, how can we combine that one? Now you can check. Two pages are there, ma. So completely different. How can I get the data from one page to another page? By using the link tag we are connecting the both HTML and CSS files. Is it clear, ma? By using the link tag, we are connecting the both HTML and the CSS. These all are the three ways to apply CSS for our HTML elements. Is it clear, ma? Now shall we start now? Where is your 2 p.m. batch? CSS. Index.html. Index.html. I am getting the structure. Yeah, guys, this is a normal everything you know, right? These things. Now simply here, mic is resounding. Fine. Now here I am writing the one h1 tag. I am writing I am a inline CSS. I am a inline CSS. If I run this, normally you know this output, right? Anything new one here? No. Generally, first day we learn this one only, right? Heading tags. Okay, same thing. Now, if I want to change the color of this text, if I want to change the color of this text, I am using the inline CSS. So how to write on the opening tag of the H1? Here you need to use the style attribute. Here you need to use the style attribute. What I want to change? Text color. To want to change the color of the text, we need to use the property called color. We need to use the property called color. Which color? Red. Starting only danger. Black. Adunde black first nunchi. Okay, guys. Now red color we applied. So red. So now you can check the color is changed. Just simple property color. Yesterday who are asking Ray? Who is that fellow? I forgot the name Ray. Yesterday who are asking this question? Sanjay. Clear Sanjay now? How we are changing the color? Is it clear Sanjay? This is the one way to apply the CSS. Now we will go for the second way. What is the second way, ma? Internal CSS. So again, I am taking the one paragraph. I am a internal CSS. I am a internal CSS. Now internal means in that file only I need to write. Where I need to write, sir. So inside the head tag, we need to write that one. Inside the head tag, you need to use the style. Inside the head tag, you need to use the style tag you need to use here. Okay. After that, inside the style tag only you need to write. To whom I am targeting now? Paragraph. To whom I am targeting? Paragraph. Simply write P. Tag name slash selector, right? Yes or no? Syntax ray. Paragraph tag name slash selector. Now I have a tag name is there. So directly I am targeting the paragraph. After that, curly brackets. Inside that, again, I want to change the color of the paragraph. Before changing that one, what is the color of the paragraph, Ray? Black. Now, which color? Which color, Ray? Green. Color అనగానే వచ్చేసినాయి. Brown, blue. Next time. Now you can check the paragraph is converted to the green color. Is it clear, ma? The paragraph is converted to the green color. Till now clear all of you? Now, what is the next one we have? External. Next one, external. So here I need to create a one external file, index.cs. I am creating index.cs. So it doesn't mean anything you can create. With your name also you can create the file name. Okay. So index.css. So here what I am doing here. Now here I am writing the one section tag. Section I am a external CSS. I am a external CSS. So simply here I am targeting the section. Simply I am targeting the section. I am applying the color. I am applying the color here. Which color? Brown we will take. Online people ask brown. So brown I applied. Now you can check, is it applied? Why? There is no connection. We need to link that one. So after that I need to use a link tag in the head side. So inside the link, two attributes are there, rel and the href. Inside the rel, relation. Rel means relation. How it will be? గట్టిగా నొక్కు. Now rel means relation. What is the relation here? Style sheets. REL means style sheet. It is a style sheet only, right? CSS I tell sheets, layers, one type of layer sheet means. So style sheets. Inside the href we need to give the path of that particular file, which file I want to connect. /index.css. Index.css. Now you can check it is applied. Is it clear, ma? Three ways: inline, internal, external. Till now clear all of you? No, sir. Okay. Link tag is not used. Okay, fine. Now, all three clear, right, for you? Now, what I will do here, I will take the one article tag. Okay. Article, I am a article tag. I am a article tag I am applying. So here I am giving the style color as a red. Okay. So for the same article, I will give the color as a which one we will do? Blue violet we will give. Blue violet. So for the external also same article. Same article I give the color as a hot pink. Okay. Now tell me which color will apply. Okay. See here, single element. 3 times I'm targeting 3 different positions. Okay, ma. First one I'm giving the color as a red. Second one I'm giving as a blue, violet, and third color I'm giving as a hot pink. Which color will apply? Just guess, ma. I'm not asking properly. I will tell the reasons also why it is applying like this. Red, hot pink, red. Third color, inline. Yeah, offline people. Online people are giving the answers. Hot pink, red, hot pink. Okay, red. Options are ABC. Options you want? Mixing. We will mix it, not now. In further cases, we will mix definitely. Please explain. Style sheet. Style sheet means it is a CSS, ma. That's it. How the index.css is relate to the HTML means it is a style sheet. That's it. Inline. Style gets more preference. All are style only, re. Which one? Offline people, online people are everybody is giving inline and inline interaction everything. Offline 50-50 option you want, or else call a friend, call a friend. Tell me, re, fast. How many of you read? Red, raise your hands. Okay, hot pink, raise completely, re. I need to see. Next blue violet, remaining one in the atita. ఏటైతేట ఆల్ మిక్సా ఇట్ వద్దమ్మో చాలా డేంజర్ అడిగి కాకుండా ఉండిపోతారు అక్కడే సో ఇట్ విల్ అప్లై ద విచ్ కలర్ రెడ్ ఓకే ఇఫ్ ఐ రిమూవ్ ద రెడ్ నౌ విచ్ కలర్ విల్ అప్లై రెడ్ ఐ రిమూవ్ రే విచ్ వన్ హాట్ పింకా బ్లూవా సారీ బ్లూ వైలెటా సార్ ఇఫ్ హెచ్ఎఫ్ ఈక్వల్స్ హెచ్టిఎం పేజ్ దెన్ ఆర్ అన్వర్ లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ href html page is not the anma to whom you are linking that page html page you need to tell the relation with you, right? Now you have a cousins are there, you will go and give some like the you can tell as a Anwar Hindi only, right? You are or Telugu? External internal hot pink. हिंदी और इंग्लिश. देखो अनवर, जब तुम जा रहे हो कई बार बाहर तुम्हारे भाई को भाई या फिर किसी और को लेके जा रहे हो, कोई पूछेगा तुम्हारा उससे रिश्ता क्या है, तुम क्या बताओगे? मेरा चाची का भैया, मेरा चाची का लड़का, वैसे करके बताओगे ना. यहाँ पर भी वही हो रहा है. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वो क्या बता रहा है कि तुम लिंक कर रहे हो ना, किसके साथ लिंक कर रहे हो उसे. इंडेक्स डॉट सी एस एस फाइल इसके साथ रिश्ता क्या है वो बता रहे हैं हम लोग. रिलेशन में रिश्ता क्या है इंडेक्स डॉट सी एस एस का? स्टाइल शीट का रिश्ता है, उसीलिए हम लोग रिलेशन स्टाइल शीट डाल के. ये href का मतलब क्या होता है, तुम वो फाइल कहाँ से लेके आ रहे हो, कहाँ से है वो जाने का रास्ता कहाँ पर उस फाइल के अंदर, उसीलिए इंडेक्स डॉट सी एस एस हम लोग लिख रहे हैं. क्लियर अब? या हाँ यार है. व्हाट इज आंसर? हॉट पिंक का ब्लू वायलेटा. हॉट पिंक एवरीबॉडी वही रे. Blue violet. I asking why means blue violet. Okay, why blue violet? None of the above. Online people. Let's say they given answers, right? Hot pink, internal, external, transparent. Next level. See you. Hot pink will apply. Hot pink you like. Okay, re. Very good. Why are you laughing, re? Okay. Now if I remove this color means blue, violet. Mission successfully executed. Blue, violet. Now here, if you observe here, still now you are thinking like there is a priorities are there. Some people are thinking there is a priority. Inline is the first priority, internal is the second priority, third one is external is the third priority. There is no priorities. There is no priorities in the applying the CSS. So here what is happening, what I told, line by line execution should be done. Yes or no? Now you are only guys think like a compiler. Compiler means reading the code. Okay, when you are reading the code from the starting onwards, how you will read ma? First you will read the doc type HTML, second HTML, head, meta, title, style. Yes or no? Inside the style you are going in, first should be the article. Okay, then what you will do for the article, you will apply the blue violet first. Yes or no? You will apply the blue violet first. After that again style tag completed, link tag came. Link tag inside that I have index.css. It will go for the index.css. Here I am applying the hot pink color. Now, what will happen when I am applying the hot pink here? What will happen here? That blue violet color will be overlap with the hot pink. Okay? Overlap with the hot pink. Now again here what I applied, going. Again here article I apply the red color. After that what will happen? The hot pink color is overlap with the red color. You are getting the red color. It means here you have one more question. Sir, it means if I will apply the any property for the inline, previous properties will not apply. Yes or no? It means one property we are not applying, right? For suppose here I am giving the color ma. Style I am giving as a color as a red. Okay. Here I am not giving the red ma. I am giving the background color as a green. Okay. Don't worry. Every property I will discuss. Each and every property. Here I will apply the one border. Now which property will apply? All three. Why? Why all three will apply? You are right. Telling right only. All three is applied. See. Color is red. Background color is green. Border is black. All three are applied. But previously why it is not applied? If you observe carefully, all of the places I am using the same property. Everything is the color. Property is same, but the value is same. No, right? Value should be different. Upgraded value only it will take. Properties are same. Inline also I am applying the same color property. Internal also I am applying the same color property. External also I am applying the same color property. First, what will happen? Internal applied. Internal is blue violet color property. Second one, external it is going. Here also color property is there. Blue violet to hot pink. Again it come for the inline. Same again color property. Hot pink to red color. Is it clear ma how it is applying? Property overriding. Property values overriding is going here. If all are the different properties, all three will apply. If you have a same properties, value should be overriding, should be done. Is it clear? Now is there any priorities there? No, right? Here we can tell the two definitions for that. CSS will take the nearest element. Nearest CSS. That element will take the CSS of the nearest one. If it is taking the nearest one means the border and background color will not apply, right? Yes or no? In such cases, you need to explain like this also, ma. It will taking the nearest CSS values, but if the properties are different, then it will apply the both internal and external also. If the values are same, if the properties are same, then it will take the nearest CSS values. You need to brief this point. Simple definition is it will take the nearest CSS. If you can simply you can justify like this, then you have a raise a question of that. It means when I'm applying the inline CSS, it will not take the internal and external, they will ask. Then you need to brief that one. It will take internal and external also if the properties are different. Or else directly you can tell it will take the nearest CSS for the common properties. If the different properties are there, then internal or external also will apply for that particular element. Clear? No question, nothing. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt is there? What, Ray? Clear or not clear, Ray? No. What no? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? Guys, are you understanded or not understanded, Ray? Not understanded. Which point? ఎక్కడ అర్థం కాలే చెప్పండి. Hmm? Where you are not getting the point, guys? సింపుల్ చెప్తానండి. ఇప్పుడు uh, uh, is it fine, guys? External CSS, you explain once again, sir. Okay. Okay. Now you got or not got the point, Ray? Fine. External CSS, Neha, you can check once again here. So externally, I am creating the one separate file for the CSS. Why I am creating the separate file means all the HTML elements should be in the one place. All the CSS properties of which I am applying the targeting, everything is here. Here also we need to follow the same structure. What I am doing for the article I'm applying the color as a green. Article I'm applying the color as a green. So this is the completely different file. HTML is also a completely a different file. So we need to make a link in between them. That link how to create means by using the link tag we need to link the both the files. Now inside the total we have a two attributes. One is the relation, one is the href. Now inside the relation what you need to enter means that particular file which you are linking how it is related to you. That is nothing but a style sheets. Cascading style sheets. It means style sheets only you are creating. After that, you need to use the index.css. So if I will remove this one, then only the green color will be applied. Now you can check green color background also green only, right? And check green color will be applied. Is it clear, Neha, for you now? Yeah. Guys, you wanna try this one or no need? Start doing them. Who have laptops? You wanna try means try. I will give the time seriously. Guys, if you having the laptops daily, sir, we were bringing the laptop means definitely I will give you time to execute the codes here. Yeah, open your laptops and try. Yeah, guys, from CSS, after 4 to 5 classes, you need to bring your laptops for the practice here only. Last half an hour for the practice session. What are the, if it is a simple topic means I will go for the next topics. If it is a complex one means you need to do here in my front only. Practice. Start doing. Shiva, from where you are missing? Shiva, from where connection lost? Which concept? Which point? Starting, ending is fine, huh? So, see here, Shiva. So, see here, Shiva. Here I am taking the one paragraph. I am a para tag. Now to apply the color, to apply the any element for this, to any properties for that, simply we have totally three ways: inline, internal, and the external. Inline, internal, and the external. Inline means in that line, internal means in that file, external means separate file. Now here inside the paragraph, I am writing the class, sorry, style. By using the style attribute, we can apply the inline CSS style. To change the color of that particular element, we need to use the color. I am using as a red. If you can check, red color will be applied there. So same thing, I am taking as a h2 tag. I am a h2 tag. So to apply the internal CSS, we need to use the style tag. Inside the style tag, I am targeting the h2. I am applying the color as a green. I am applying the color as a green. Now you can check the green color will be applied for this element. So again, I am taking the one more tag called h3. h3. I am a h3 tag. Now for this, I want to apply the external. External means separately I need to create one CSS file. So here I will target the h3 and I will apply the color as a blue. Color as a blue. Now you can check the blue color will be applied. This thing only we discussed. Is it clear, Shiva? Yeah. Now you can try that one. Yeah, fine.